Welcome to Arlanda Airport. Did you know that I spent only 42 Swedish kronor to get here from Stockholm City? If you want to learn how, I'll explain everything in this video. Let's get started. Right now, I'm standing in front of the central station. Let's head inside. Inside the station, you'll see direction signs pointing straight, left, and right. If you want to take the Flixbus or the high-speed train, such as Arlanda Express, you can follow the sign straight or to the right. But these are more expensive options. I want to spend only 42 Swedish kronor, so I'll go to the left. Just follow the signs for local public transport, marked with the letters T and J. After walking for about 3 minutes, you'll come to an escalator. Just go down. This is extra information if you want to keep luggage, so you can use the luggage locker box at the right-hand side. But it is not free. At the junction, turn left and continue straight again. After walking for 2 more minutes, you'll arrive at the local public transport area. Look for the sign that says Pedneltåg and head to the left. You can buy your ticket at the counter or SL application and also can use a bank card as well. I already have an SL card, so I used that. Take the escalator down again. Follow the signs for Spar 1 and Spar 2. Go down once more and then check the train information board. Look for the train to Märsta. That's the one we need. The train will arrive in 5 minutes. This is very good. Not too long. The train is here. Let's get on board. This is a local public transport, but it's very fast. After about 40 minutes, we'll arrive at Märsta station. Now I'm heading to the bus stop. It's just a 4-minute walk from the station. Here comes the bus. Just hop on, no need to buy a new ticket. Your ticket is valid for 75 minutes. The bus ride takes about 10 minutes and you'll arrive at Sky City Terminal 4 and 5. This is the airport bus stop. Once you're inside the airport, just head up. Follow the signs to find your way around the airport. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.